ORCA series smart linear motors have 5 modes of operation: sleep mode, force mode, position mode, haptic mode, and kinematic mode. Today, we will show you how to get started with kinematic mode. Kinematic mode is commonly used in pneumatic replacement, testing and measurement, research and development, and in robotics and machine building. It is the simplest way to get smooth, point-to-point position control with an ORCA motor. ORCA motors are fully integrated. All drivers, controllers, and sensors needed to run your motor are located inside the motor's chassis. Each ORCA motor has a kinematic controller that enables you to configure, save, and play back motion profiles directly from the device. Kinematic mode also allows motion profiles to be saved to your motor's memory, allowing headless operation of your smart linear motor. Kinematic mode is different from position mode, which is useful when you are interested in streaming continuous positions to the motor. Position mode provides the command of the motor to perform more complex motions, which may be non-periodic or non-repeating. To access kinematic mode in IrisControls, select the Position/Kinematics page. Next, click Set Kinematic Profile. This will open the Kinematics panel. This brings up several Motion ID configuration panels. Up to 32 Motion IDs can be configured and stacked if desired by the user, with more Motion IDs able to be accessed by using this page selector. The trigger button manually triggers a Motion ID. Position sets the target position for the shaft in micrometers. Time sets how long the motion will take. Delay sets the amount of delay after the motion completes before the next motion is triggered, if Auto Start Next is toggled. Select the next motion by entering its ID in the Next ID field. At the top of the Kinematics panel, Home Motion ID sets which Motion ID will run when Enable is pressed. For instance, to run Motion 2 on startup, the Home Motion ID must be set to 2. Save Configuration saves all changes, and Enable gets the shaft moving with the configured Motion ID. The SmartHub is a companion product to the ORCA series motor. It controls the ORCA motors in force, position, and kinematic mode, configurable through Modbus or IrisControls GUI. The SmartHub is ideal for customers that want to control the motor and receive feedback using digital and analog signals instead of serial messages. You can use kinematic mode with the SmartHub. The 3 digital inputs on the SmartHub can be used to trigger up to 6 different kinematic motions if both rising and falling edges are used. Here, 2 separate kinematic motions are being triggered by each button press. For more short video tutorials, visit our IrisTutorials webpage or contact our team for further assistance.